What are the best practices for rotating crops in my vegetable garden? Rotating crops in your vegetable garden is an essential practice to maintain soil fertility, reduce the risk of pests and diseases, and promote overall plant health. Here are some best practices for rotating crops in your vegetable garden. 1. Plan a rotation schedule. Create a plan that outlines which crops will be planted in each area of your garden for the upcoming seasons. A simple rotation plan could involve dividing your garden into sections and rotating crops between these sections each year. 2. Know your plant families. Categorize your vegetables based on their botanical families, as certain families are prone to specific pests and diseases. Rotate crops within these families to prevent the buildup of pests and diseases in the soil. 3. Practice a 3 to 4 year rotation cycle. Avoid planting the same crop or crops from the same family in the same location for at least 3 to 4 years. This allows the soil to replenish nutrients and reduces the risk of soil-borne pests and diseases. 4. Incorporate cover crops. Integrate cover crops, such as legumes and grasses, into your rotation plan. Cover crops help improve soil structure, prevent erosion, and add nutrients to the soil. 5. Maintain good garden hygiene. Remove any plant debris after harvest to minimize the risk of diseases and pests overwintering in the garden. Compost or dispose of the debris properly to prevent the spread of pathogens. 6. Monitor and address soil nutrient deficiencies. Conduct regular soil tests to determine any nutrient deficiencies or imbalances. Adjust your crop rotation plan and amend the soil accordingly to ensure that each crop has the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. 7. Consider intercropping. Intercropping involves planting different crops together in the same area. This can help maximize space, reduce weed growth, and create a more diverse and resilient ecosystem in your garden. By following these best practices, you can maintain a healthy and productive vegetable garden while minimizing the risk of pests, diseases, and nutrient depletion in the soil. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.